Hello, Morris Baynett, Technical Director at EcoMaster with you once again. And today I want to talk about window and door units in new build. Now maybe you're building an extension to your home, or maybe you're an owner builder for a new project. In either case, you're going to have some window and door units in your project, and when they're put in with large gaps between the window unit and the actual framing. It's absolutely normal. But one of the things that your energy rating will have in it is to seal up gaps and cracks. And here, this is the definition of a gap, okay, between the window or door unit and the timber framing. There it is right there. Now, maybe you've spent a lot of money on good quality double glazing, and you know what? You want to get the best possible result from that. And the way to do that is to fill up this gap, because otherwise you're relying on the flashing on the outside and maybe the plasterboard on the inside, providing you a good airtight and insulative seal. So that's probably not going to happen. So read the energy rating and follow the instructions. So we need to seal up the gaps here between the window and door units and the timber framing. Now, one of the great ways to do that is just with offcuts of polyester. Just get some of an appropriate size and really just stuff them into these gaps like that. It's not very difficult. Just make sure that it's always below the level of the stud-work, so you're not getting in the way of the plasterers. It's a little bit difficult where the fixings come through. You have to make sure that that's in good and tight. And there you have it. You're going to get a much better performance out of your window unit if you do that all the way around.